Right, managed to find all the parts I needed to get today, so I ran around, did some errands. I got a hose for the Peterbilt that was the fuel hose that's leaking. My parts for the GMC have arrived, so I've got a new water pump here. I've got a used air compressor pump, which is also will do the trick. So my objective today is to install the hose, clean up the old parts and get the truck ready for installation. If I've got enough time today, I'll install today, but if I don't, I'll just get it ready for installation tomorrow. And that's about it.